Hello everyone. In this video, I shall tell you about the structure of a research paper. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, for the structure of a research paper, what I have to write is what a research paper, every research paper requires. That is the following elements I'm going to discuss. So you start with the title of the research paper. Then the next thing you have to give is the abstract, the keywords, the introduction. Introduction is further divided into the meaning, the trends, the data that you have to give along with, that I've already discussed in my videos, whether it is the data relating to India or to other nations or to the world over or to a specific region, that you have to give in the trends relating to your or any other data relating to your subject that you're covering. The second heading would be review of literature. Third heading would be research design. Under the research design, you subdivide the heading into objectives of the study, the rationale of the study. Now, what is the difference between objectives of the study and the rationale of the study? Objectives are specific, and rationale basically is the need of the study. It is also called as the need of the study. So, why are you carrying out this research that is mentioned in the rationale? Then another subpoint in the research design is database and research methodology, followed by, and then the subdivision of database and research methodology. Database and research methodology would further cover the scale development, the universe of the study, the sample selection, the sample characteristics, and as I've already discussed, the sample characteristics shall be given in a paragraph form along with the table of the demographics, and you can write the source as compiled from the survey that you've conducted by circulating or by getting filled a questionnaire. Then another subheading in database and research methodology is your statistical tools that you've used. After that, we move on to the analysis and discussions, and where you'll be analyzing the data that you've collected with the help of statistical techniques, followed by the recommendations, what you found from the study, the limitations of the study, what you were not able to do in the study, and the scope of future research, what you were not able to do in the study but you recommend others to do, because you have to limit the scope of everything. You cannot do everything in research work, so you leave certain stones unturned. So that is what is the scope of future research. Others can do it, you yourself can do it in future research, but you suggest it to everyone that this is what is left in the research, and you can opt for doing this in your further research work, followed by the references, whether it is in APA style or MLA style. In my further videos, I'll be discussing these elements in detail, the elements of abstract, the elements of keywords, how to give keywords, how to give an abstract, how to go in for how to write the objectives of the study, how to write the rationale, and the scale development, the universe. So I'll be discussing all these elements in detail. The structure of a research paper is always given under the author guidelines of every journal. You can go to the journal's website and you can assess the guidelines for authors where you want to submit your research paper, and you'll always get in the author guidelines the structure of the paper or the format of the research paper that they require. They require a specific format of a research paper that you have to submit your paper in. So you should follow the author guidelines, but this is what is the basic structure you should be ready with while submitting a research paper. So the journals that are not very strict with author guidelines or not very strict about the format require these basic things to be there in your structure. So this is for the researchers who've started research just now, to know the basic structure or the elements of a research paper. A research paper should have these elements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for now.